Hello friends, you are here with Mrs Shital Deshpande from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. I welcome you in today's session. Today we will continue with all kind of regions make up the world. In that we have a different climatic zones. As we already discussed that depending on their closeness to the equator, different regions receive different amount of heat from the sun. The earth is divided into 3 climatic zones based on the amount of heat received. These climatic zones are the torrid zone, the temperate zone, the frigid zone. Let's understand 3 different zones on world map. Here we have 3 different zones. Near to the equator we have tropical zone, that is called as a torrid zone. Above the tropical zone or below the tropical zone we have a temperate zone, and at the top of world map and at the bottom of world map we have frigid zone, that is called as a polar zones. We will start first with the torrid zone. The torrid zone is also known as the tropics. It is measured from North Tropic of Cancer up to the South Tropic of Capricorn. It is usually hot and humid. Sun rays fall directly as the sun directly overhead at last once in a year. Heavy rainfall is common. Now if you will see the image, pink color shaded part, what it shows the exact location of torrid zone. Some countries which comes in torrid zone are as follows: Indonesia, India, Sri Lanka, Brazil, Bangladesh. Now we have here the temperate zone. This part of the earth's surface is lying between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle to the north and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle to the south. It lies from 23.5 degree to 66.5 degree, the polar circles at about north and south. We can experience 4 seasons: summer, autumn, winter, spring. Changes between the seasons are distinct but not extreme. See here in the image we have a green shaded part. What it symbolizes? Exactly true. It symbolizes the temperate zone. The temperate zone. This region experiences slightly slanting rays of the sun. Therefore, the climate is neither too hot nor too cold. Moderate rainfall is seen in this zone. The countries which lies in the temperate zone are India, China, Japan, Europe, Australia, Africa. Next we have frigid zone. It is the coldest zone on the earth. So most of the area is covered by ice and snow. Frigid zone are which consist from Arctic Circle to North Pole and Antarctic Circle to South Pole. Specially 2 seasons we can find there. Those seasons are winter and summer. Winter lasts for 9 to 10 months. See here I shared some images also. What it symbolizes? It symbolizes what type of climate we have in the polar zone or frigid zone. Snow covered area we can find over there. In a second image you can find the pink color shaded part. What it symbolizes? It symbolizes the polar circles. And at last Antarctica. What it symbolizes? Snow covered area. Now let's see more about the climate of India. First we will think about the Thar Desert, as we have the first image of Thar Desert. Thar Desert has a hot and dry climate. This is because the region has a very few water bodies and scanty rainfall. Mumbai is closer to the equator than the New Delhi. Yet it is cooler than New Delhi because it receives sea breezes. Himalayan ranges. in the country are always covered with snow. Now they are extremely high above the sea level. See here we have the three different images. The first image, what it symbolizes? It symbolizes about the Thar desert. Second image, what it symbolizes? The location of Mumbai and New Delhi with India's map. And the third image, what it symbolizes? The Himalayan ranges. How it is covered with a snow and which has the extremely high above the sea level. Now in this way today we have covered the three different climatic zones and the climate of India. Next part of it we will continue in tomorrow's session. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.